Welcome back to the Grillslingers bar. I'm Liz, and today I have a smoky twist on a classic cocktail, a smoked maple old fashioned. Are you ready? An old fashioned. It's a classic. Dates back to the 1800s, and it's actually fairly simple to make. Traditionally, there's 4 ingredients: a spirit, bitters, sugar, and water. And today, we're gonna use 2 of those ingredients, bourbon and bitters. But instead of sugar, we're gonna use pure maple syrup. I know, it sounds really weird, but I promise you, it's delicious. To get the smoke flavor, we fired up the smoker and we set the temperature to as low as we possibly could. We filled some water in a baking dish, put it out there for about 2 hours, and once that water was done smoking, we put it in ice cube trays and let it freeze in the freezer. If you don't have a smoker at home, feel free to use some liquid smoke instead, and it's a pretty good alternative. To get another smoke flavor that we wanted to include, we're gonna smoke our glass with this bad boy. We're gonna light this up, trap the smoke in the glass, and just let it sit for a little while until we get enough smoke flavor that we want. All right, let's dive right in. All right, let's do it. So, we're gonna take 2 ounces of our whiskey. And then we are going to take 3/4 ounces of our maple syrup. Then we're gonna take 4 dashes of our bitters. I like to use Angostura, but you can use orange. You can try something different, see if it gives you a different flavor. Then after that, we are going to add some regular ice just to cool it down as we're mixing. Please remember to be careful at home doing this. All right, so you're gonna light this bad boy. Don't go too long, but just long enough to kind of blacken it. And then once you start seeing a flame, that's when you're gonna get enough smoke. And you're gonna put your glass right over, and you'll see all that smoke start to come up into the glass. Smells like a candle. So the wood chip I picked was a hickory chip from like the barbecue section. Looks like we're getting there. So now I'm gonna take my whiskey. I'm gonna get my strainer, get that ready to go. And now I have my ice cube, and I'm gonna flip the glass back over. Ooh, yeah, look at that smoke. Put the ice cube in there, and then we're gonna strain our old fashioned into the glass. Yum. All right, so for our garnish, I'm gonna use an orange peel. A lot of people like to use this, or you could do cherries. The orange just gives it a little bit of citrus, and it goes really well with the whiskey. All right, I'm gonna give it a little bit of a squeeze. I like to rim that and get the orange going. All right, the best part, we get to try it. Cheers. That is so good. The whiskey complements the maple syrup so well. It goes down so smooth. And one tip for the smoke, I highly recommend just letting your drink sit for like 1 to 2 minutes, and that ice starts to melt, and it just shows so well in the cocktail. Anyways, I'm gonna go finish this. Thank you guys for watching. We appreciate it. We love all the support. Check out some of our other videos. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and until next time, we'll see you later.